Local news for Wednesday the 27th of June. A 37-year-old male and 29-year-old female have been arrested and firearms, cash and methamphetamine seized following an execution of two search warrants in Masterton early yesterday morning. The search warrants at D Place and Grant Crescent were the result of investigations into two recent firearms incidents. One of these was a modified pistol and the two others were cut-down semi-automatic rifles. 10 o'clock Cookie Bakery and Cafe have come third in the Bakery of the Year competition, while Oats Bakery and Carlton have won a silver medal as well for their gluten-free cake at the New Zealand Bakery Awards. Three-piece rock band Signs of Life from Wairarapa College took out first place at this year's Wairarapa Regional Smoke-Free Rock Fest at the Carlton Event Centre on Saturday night. The solo duo winner was Maya Aitchison from St Matthew's Collegiate. And in sports, in hockey, the Dalefield men went down 3-2 last weekend to Northern United. Both the men and women are at home this weekend to Kapiti Coast. Both teams lead their respective competitions. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.